Introduce highlight features or overview summary for VECELO 18-inch 15-amp electric snow shovel. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: powerful snow removal. Our snow blower is capable of clearing 18-inch wide, x 10-inch deep paths and throwing snow up to 25 feet. You can say goodbye to laborious and time-consuming shoveling with this efficient snowblower. Electric snow blower cord. Our cord snow thrower has excellent performance in durability and stability, made from premium PP materials and heavy-duty metal plates. Cord snow shovel provide the highest performance at any time, without interrupting snow cleaning due to lack of power or gas. Easy to clear snow. Simply press the safety switch button and pull the bale lever to start the electric snow shovel. Considering safety, reverse operation will not start the machine. Compared to ordinary shovels, our snow sweeper saves time and effort. Compared to large snow sweepers, our snow sweeper has a suitable size and is suitable for general needs, making it easy to store. Adjustable discharge 0 to 180 degrees chute. You can select the proper snow throwing direction as you wish by simply rotating the crank. And you can also adjust the chute angle vertically, 15 to 60 degrees, by loosening the locking knob, thus changing the height of the snow stream. So you can throw snow into a suitable location you want, and get a clean path or yard. Snow blower multiple usage. Say goodbye to the troubles of snow accumulation with our snow thrower. Ideal for quick snow pickups on small to mid-sized driveways, walkways, sidewalks, yards, patios, and others place. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.